In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT Too Many Concurrent Requests Errors 2026 Guide. This message usually appears when your account is sending overlapping tasks to the servers. The fastest fix is to reduce simultaneous activity. Start by auditing your browser. If you have multiple ChatGPT tabs or windows open, especially ones still generating or auto-refreshing older threads, close them. Keep only one active ChatGPT window open while you run complex or long prompts. Even a quiet background tab can continue retrying requests and count against your concurrency. So trim it down to a single focused session. If one tab seems stuck or keeps looping the same request, perform a targeted environment reset without wiping your whole browser history. Click the View Site Information icon at the far left of your address bar. Then open Cookies and Site Data and choose Manage On-Device Site Data. Find the entries for OpenAI.com and ChatGPT.com. Click the trash can icon next to both and confirm. This surgically clears the session parameters and forces a clean handshake. When you reload, you may be asked to sign in again, which is expected and helps ensure you're starting fresh. If the error persists, clear potential network bottlenecks on Windows by flushing DNS and resetting sockets. In the taskbar search box, type CMD, right-click command prompt, and choose Run as administrator. In the window that opens, type ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. Next, type netch winsock reset and press Enter. Type exit, hit Enter, and restart your PC so the networking changes fully apply. This often fixes issues caused by cached, mismatched routes or a stale socket layer. Extensions and automations can quietly overwhelm pages with background calls. Open your browser's extensions dashboard and temporarily toggle off anything that injects content, translates automatically, scrapes pages, or heavily modifies the UI, including aggressive ad blockers. For a quick comparison, open an incognito or private window with Ctrl+Shift+N or CMD+Shift+N and try a prompt there. If it works cleanly, return to your normal profile and re-enable extensions one at a time until you identify the troublemaker. Finally, check the service itself. Open a separate tab and visit status.openai.com. If there's an operational incident or a high traffic throttle, your best move is to pause for 2 to 3 minutes and let the server-side queue clear your token bucket. Even without an incident, a short break after closing extra tabs is often enough. That's it. Keep your active window focused, reset stuck sessions, tame extensions, and clear network routes to maintain an uninterrupted workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.